Hey guys, welcome to Tokyo. Today we're going to stroll through a residential neighborhood in the Shinjuku district. Come along as we wander the quiet streets, check out the architecture, and notice all the little details that make this area special. Let's dive into the everyday life of Tokyo, beyond the usual tourist spots. First, a quick look at where we are. Tokyo Prefecture is one of Japan's 47 prefectures and is the administrative entity that encompasses Tokyo City and the surrounding areas under its jurisdiction. Tokyo itself is the main city and Japan's capital. Shinjuku City is one of the 23 special wards of Tokyo, and Shinjuku is a lively district in Shinjuku City, famous for its shopping and nightlife. We will start our walk here and head to Takadanobaba Station. It's a crisp winter morning, around 5 degrees Celsius, although a few shy rays of sun are beginning to warm the air. It's Saturday and calm envelops the scene. Only a few residents, busy with their leisure activities, are strolling through the narrow side streets. Here, vehicles move slowly and share the space with pedestrians and cyclists, so they drive carefully. The boundary between private homes and public space is blurred, often occupied by air conditioning units and small planters that decorate the edges of the street. In the background, we hear the songs of a few birds, a surprising contrast given that we are in the world's most populous metropolitan area. As we move along, a construction site interrupts the quiet, but it does so with an unexpected delicacy and orderliness that we've ever seen. Only a few workers move about in their uniforms, while some residents take care of cleaning and maintaining the neighborhood's public spaces. When we hit the corner, we turn to head towards the main street. It's still pretty laid back here. A lot of the shops are closed, probably because it's Saturday or due to the New Year's celebrations. The sidewalks are shared by pedestrians and cyclists, and even though people are moving quickly, everything flows smoothly and harmoniously. In the distance, we hear the train. We're close to the Takada no Baba station, which connects with train and metro lines. Above, we can see the Yamanote Line train with its distinctive green color, linking the main points of the city. That's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the tour. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss anything. Your support helps us keep creating new content. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.